Did you know success and failure are just stepping stones?
Do you also want to make such motivational videos? Lately, these motivational YouTube shorts, Instagram reels and TikTok videos has been getting million upon million of views, despite the being extremely simple to make. These YouTube, Instagram and TikTok channels are earning serious money with these videos. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to create these motivational style short form videos using the power of AI. Without wasting of time, let's start the video. First, go to the chat GPT and copy and paste the prompt given in the description. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, now we have a script for our shorts. Next, we will go to the flicky.ai, link in the description. Sign up, click on the prompts and paste the script of first short. Select the portrait ratio and the image is set by default and just hit submit. Now Flickr does all the work for you. The only thing you need to do is change the voice. Go to the voice section, select a male voice. Here I'll select Noah and click apply to all pages. Then export and download the video. Okay. Now the final part is to go to the CapCut, import the video, select it and crop it to remove the watermark. Next, go to the adjustment section in the right corner and play with the color setting. Our last step is to add some soft music behind the shot to make it more engaging to the audience. Go to the audio and select any track that you like. Adjust the music timeline to fit the video and now the video is ready. Just export it and download it to your PC. Here's the final result.
Did you know success and failure are just stepping stones? Keep watching to uncover the best kept secrets of perseverance. Success isn't the end of the road. Failure isn't a dead end. What truly matters is the courage to keep going. Every step, whether forward or back, teaches you something. Setbacks are opportunities in disguise. Learn from your mistakes and grow stronger. Embrace challenges as chances to improve. Your journey is unique, so keep pushing forward. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Stay resilient, and success will follow. Hit the like button if you found this motivating.
That's it for today's videos. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video.